Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 54 Kingfisher Close. Now, this detached family home gives you 3 double bedrooms, a 21-foot lounge with doors opening through to the conservatory, 2 reception rooms, a modern fitted shower room, a fantastic 92-foot mature rear garden, plenty of off-road parking and the garage, and all of this is tucked away within a fantastic location within only a short walking distance to the seafront. So, having a look through the property itself, coming through from the hallway, we've had a good look at the dining room and the kitchen there, and from there we've got here the lounge. Now, you can see that we've got plenty of light coming through from both sides here, really nice big window there at the front, and then just behind us we've got the sliding doors leading us through into the conservatory. Conservatory itself gives you a really nice little bit of additional reception space just overlooking that 92-foot rear garden. Coming through to the hallway again, we're just going to head through and take a quick look at the kitchen there. You can see a really nice modern finish, a range of fitted appliances as well as space for further white goods. And then continuing our tour internally here at number 54 Kingfisher Close, we're going to head upstairs to take a look at the bedrooms. So we've got 3 double bedrooms in total here and the main family bathroom up on the first floor at number 54 Kingfisher Close. Coming through into the first of those, a fantastic double bedroom here with some fitted units there, as well as space for further storage, chest of drawers, wardrobes and such. Lovely big window at the front, just letting all of that natural light flood through, and we'll continue on that theme with the bedrooms here at Kingfisher Close. Fantastic double bedrooms all around, this time with a view out to the rear, but again another fitted wardrobe already with plenty of space for the double bed. And then bedroom number 3 here again, fantastic double room, lots of light coming through from the front there, and plenty of room for plenty of storage. And then just to continue on, we've got here the main modern family shower room. Really nice open shower unit on the right hand side as you enter the room, and loo and sink unit. So here we are in the back garden, and this does give us a good chance just to leave you for a few moments and take this space in. And whilst we do that, we're just going to recap a few points on the property. So this is number 54 Kingfisher Close, a detached family home giving you 3 double bedrooms, a 21-foot lounge with doors leading through to the conservatory, 2 reception rooms, a modern fitted shower room, this gorgeous 92-foot mature rear garden, plenty of off-road parking and the garage, and all of this is again tucked away within a wonderful location only a short few moments away from the seafront. I really do hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.